Hello, my name is Nurul Khaerani. I am from SMP Plus Al Ashri. Are here to show you how did I made a chocolate chip ice cream and Oreo ice cream. But first, we should know what are the materials are. So I'm gonna show you some of them. Which is first, we need milk. Next, we need sweetened condensed milk, cornstarch, Milo powder or milk/milk, emulsifier. We also have sugar, but I forgot to record the footage for the sugar, so just ignore that. Now this is optional, but you can pick whatever topping do you like. So we have Oreos, I'm picking Oreos, and chocolate chips. It literally depends on you, it's optional. Don't forget your mixing bowl, fork, spoon, scissor, a mixer, a pot, and every single tool that you will need to make the ice cream. Number 1. Pour 600 milliliters of milk into the bowl, just like what I'm doing right now. Number 2. Pour 2 sachets of sweetened condensed milk into the bowl also, and mix very thoroughly. Number 3. Pour 5 tablespoons of sugar into the bowl also. Now number 4. Pour the mix that we just made into a pot that already has been heated before. Now number 5. Mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into the pot also. Just basically putting a little bit of milk into the cornstarch and then start stirring it and put it back into the pot. Now we put Milo into the pot. So basically, just put the Milo in it and just start stirring it until it dissolves. And maybe there's some parts of the Milo that is not completely dissolving because there's airtight and it cannot dissolve. So an easy trick to dissolve them is basically just press them against the pan. This is what I'm doing right now, against the pot, and it will dissolve itself because it will break through. Number 6. Now lift the mix until the heat became at room temperature. Number 7. Now let it cool in the fridge for more than 5 hours. Number 8. Now put the emulsifier and the mix with a mixer. Now, this is a warning for every single one of you that I did not realize until now, that you should not be mixing this with a glass bowl. Do not do this because there's a high chance that the glass bowl will break through. Fortunately for us, the mixer is a hand mixer. Basically, it depends on the pressure for the person who is mixing. So it did not break. But just please be cautious when when using it. Okay? We're almost at the end, guys. Number 9. Put the mix into the desirable container. So basically use just any container that you like. And then now here comes our favorite part, which is to put the topping. Yay! Just pick whatever topping do you like. I don't really care at this point. Just put some Oreos, some chocolate bars, some candies, and maybe fruits if you like. Just put anything that you like into the topping. It basically doesn't matter. It's optional. If you want to leave the topping, it's okay. Now this is the last step, which is 10. Put it in the freezer for the whole night. So basically, So basically, just put your ice cream into the freezer and just freeze it for the whole night. You put it out, voila! That's basically the result of it. There's some air bubbles here and there, and it's our first time doing this. So yeah, sorry if there's any mistaken. Thank you so much. Bye bye.